Welcome back to the channel. My buddy Steven reached out with a couple of sugar maple logs from a tree at a school in Maryville. The tree was a sentimental sort, and they asked Steven if he could get a couple of the logs milled and build some stuff out of it for the school. He said yes, and here we are. Now, the smaller of the two logs you see here was about as crooked as the average politician, but it still yielded some beautiful boards. Let's take a look. That landscape is sure a lot easier to appreciate now than when I milled these boards. The hot weather has reached Tennessee, and I'm ready for January.